Hi again. Just opening 6 blind bags wasn't enough. I needed more. So I went ahead and pulled out these Series 7s that I've been holding on to for actually a couple months. And this Series 7 and this Series 7. In this series, there's Beauty and the Beast characters, Frozen characters, Jungle Book characters, Inside Out characters, Princess and the Frog characters. I hope I get some of those. Incredible characters, Up characters, and there's some special color reveal edition on this one. And that's got Pascal, the little iguana from Rapunzel, Aurora, Cheshire Cat, Hank, the octopus, and Mickey Mouse. And there's what the color change ones look like. I like all of them. But I hope I get some of the Tiana, the Princess and the Frog ones. I really want some of those. And I would not mind having some Beauty and the Beast either. I'm going to be happy with any of them because I like all of them. But should we start with this or a little box? Let's start with the little boxes. Forgot to grab my box cutter to rip this stuff open. Let's start with the little box. Maybe. I don't think it's going to let me in. There we go. Well, that's just ridiculous. Stronger than plastic. There we go. I'm going to open the door. How many are we going to get? I can't get it. Open the door. That's the guide. We already looked at all the characters. There's 2 in there. They come. Oh, you can get 2 or 3 in these. What do you think the first one's going to be? Good. It's from Princess and the Frog, the little rock and crack. He's cute. I like him. I hope I get the frogs from that too. Who are you? It is Incredibles. And I think is that Dash? It sure is. So now we got the alligator and Dash from the Incredibles. And this plastic is harder than I thought, so grab our handy dandy box cutter. This was made for me by Cheeky Mom Collectibles. She does have a bunch of videos here on YouTube if you want to go check her out and watch some of her videos. I've been going back through and watching a whole bunch of her older videos that she made before I ever found her on YouTube and watching her unbox stuff too. I love watching people unbox, and I love to unbox. 2 or 3. What do we think? I think 2. I think I'm right. But which 2? It's Mr. Incredible himself. Nice. I do have some of the Incredible figurines already, but I don't think I have them in this form. They're different ones. They look different. Yay! I love this one. Kevin from Up. That's fun. Okay, that was it for the little ones. We got Mr. Incredible and Dash. And Mr. Croc and Kevin. Cute. Those are super cute. Now let's open the big one and see what we get. Take the key off. Cover review edition. Find the hidden Mickeys. Let's see if I can find and see how many there's going to be. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I am not finding any hidden Mickeys. I think I just don't know what I'm doing. Either that or it's an empty box. Not an empty box. Let's see. We got 1. You can get 5, 6, or 7 in these. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why does this box feel so heavy still? Don't know. First one, it's Russell from Up. I have several Russells. I always keep the Russells. My dad's name is Russell. Was Russell. Is Russell. Oh, this one we're going to have to drop in water. That's messy. So it's either the more translucent one or the nice colored Cheshire Cat. One of the two. But we'll do that later because I don't want to get it messy down here. And first dupe. Another dash. Belle! Yay! I like Belle too. Last one for that box. They go too fast. For you, I don't mind having a duplicate of him. He's so cute. Maybe I'll make him into earrings. No, I won't. It'd be too heavy for my ears. That and I almost never put earrings in. So, let's do this one. Of course, we're always hoping for 7 surprises. I'm having extra fun because I'm opening the doors. Usually I don't open the doors. I leave them sealed and refill them with the Doorables for my grandkids and let them open the doors. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 again. It wasn't our lucky day today. Boy, they send a lot of plastic with these. Let's see. And we got one of the Pascals that are color change. And he comes in both like the teal bluish green color and in the orange color. So we'll see later what he is. Maybe I'll come back and do a short and show you what they got. Oh, I like him. We got Doug, the dog from Up. You can go hang out over here with Kevin and Russell. And it is Kaa, the snake from Jungle Book. One more after this one. And it is the little baby guy. I don't remember. Jack. How could I forget? I got an Uncle Jack. Little baby Jack. That's cute. And this will be the last one already. That went really super quick. It makes me sad. I need to buy bigger boxes with more of them in it sometime, huh? And, oh, that's cute. I've never seen this one before. Yeah, it's Anna. I've never seen that one before. That's cute. She's pretty. So we got Anna. We got Belle. We got Russell and Doug and Kevin and a Cheshire Cat. It's color change. Got to get some water to color change him. And Pascal, that's color change. And Ka. And Jack. And Dash. Another Dash. Mr. Incredible. The alligator from Princess Frog. And another one of them. I'm not sure, is he an alligator or a crocodile? I think he's an alligator. Owl from Winnie the Pooh. Rex from Toy Story. Hey from Moana. Another Anna from Frozen. Cinderella in her wedding dress. And an Elsa from Frozen. That's a pretty good haul. I'm pretty happy with that. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know what your favorite one is down in the comments. See you next time. Bye-bye.